See your future. My future?
Oh, yes, I can see it all. Well, some of it. Come in, my fine young friend, and I'll peer into your future in my little crystal ball.
Come on, Corey, your big brother uses it.
And if I do what Michael does, maybe we could be friends again.
Sounds right to me. What do you say?
This is odd. The picture is very dark. All I can see is...
You're looking into a bowling ball.
Yes, of course. That would explain the 7-10 split.
There. Now can you see my future?
Of course I can. I've got a knack for this sort of thing, you know. Look closely. Closely. Your future lies behind those doors.
I don't think I want to see this. It's me. This is my future?
It is if you don't get off those drugs.
You use, you lose.
Listen to us. We care about you, Mikey.
What's up, Doc, is your life, if you don't cut it out.
There's nothing cool about a fool on drugs.
Just believe in yourself.
Yeah, you're excellent just the way you are, without drugs.
How do I get out of here? No! Corey, don't you ever do this stuff.
But you did it.
I was a dope. I was wrong.
Then stop, please, Michael.
I don't know if I can.
Face it, kid, we're buddies for life, whether you like it or not.
You don't have to quit on your own. Talk to Mom and Dad. They'll help. I'll help.
Listen to me, Mikey.
I think I've listened to you long enough.
You can't get rid of me this easy. I'll be back, and you can bet on it.
He's right, you know. He will try to come back.
And when he gets here, we'll be ready for him. Right, guys?
Right!
Oh, thank goodness. I thought I was going to miss something important.
Come on, sis. Let's go talk to Mom and Dad.